Welcome to the world of urban gardening, where every small space holds the potential to burst into green life. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your balcony or rooftop into a lush garden. First, let's talk about soil preparation, a crucial step to ensure your plants thrive. Quality soil means your plants get the nutrients they need. Composting is your best friend here, turning kitchen scraps into gold for plants. Choosing what to plant is next. Whether it's succulent tomatoes or crisp cucumbers, selecting the right seeds can make all the difference in your small garden's yield and success. Pest management is a common concern. Natural solutions exist that keep your garden organic and your plants healthy. It's about working with nature, not against it. For those looking to expand beyond plants, urban beekeeping might just be the next step. It's not only about honey. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating your garden, enhancing its productivity and health. If you're thirsty for more knowledge, numerous resources are at your fingertips. From detailed books and engaging podcasts to informative courses and videos, there's no shortage of expert advice to help you grow. Imagine harvesting your own food right in the heart of the city. It's not just about the fresh taste, but also the satisfaction of self-sufficiency and contributing to a sustainable environment. Remember, every small space is an opportunity to create something beautiful. Start small, think big, and watch as your urban garden flourishes into a haven of biodiversity right outside your window. Let's grow this green revolution together.